How to share location on Android. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I will teach you how you can share your location on Android device. Now before we begin, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also, press the bell icon so you get notified whenever we release a new video. Now let's jump right into it. So to share your location on an Android device, you will need to use your Google Maps. So if you don't have the app, you can go ahead to your Google Play Store, search for Maps or Google Maps, and you'll find Google Maps. Download it, and if you've already downloaded it, update it. Then you can locate the app up and then open it up. So after you do that, what you'll then need to do to share your location is tap on your profile picture on the top right. After you do that, you'll find location sharing. Tap on this. Then after you do that, you can then go ahead and use your location. Tap on share location. You can tap on allow if you want to share it with your contacts. Then if you want to share it with your friends, find their email and then select it. Then tap on share. Then if you want to access your physical activity, tap on allow. And let's go to our settings to give it permission. So after you give it the required permission by tapping on all the time, now you have shared your location. And that's basically how you do it. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye-bye.